the fact that in spite the process looking complicated, why do you think more and more students are preparing for the American system? Because there is a huge skill shortage. It is expected that by 2030, US will require 1,21,300 physicians per year. Currently, they are only manufacturing 42,000 physicians. And the current COVID, crisis is actually exposing how much of a manpower shortage they are in. Another thing is this very simple thing. The orange bar is the number of PG seats in America, which is increasing year on year. The yellow bar is the number of MBBS seats in America. They call it MD. So they have more PG seat and less MBBS seat, which is why gap. They have extra, more seats available, and this gap is increasing year on year, which is why more and more international students have opportunity. If we were to compare with India, what is the scenario in India? India has 30,000 seats for PG, no problem. But for MBBS, they have close to about 70,000 seats. Plus, last year, people who didn't get admission, those 40,000 apply. Plus, last year who didn't get admission, those 30,000 apply. Plus, there are eternal optimists trying for NEET PG for last 3 years. They apply. So every year, 1.5 lakh students appear for this 30,000. And minus the quota, minus the all open category, clinical, for every 1.5 lakh students, there are only 15,000 seats available in government, which is why for every 10 student, only one gets a seat in India. Okay. And US, it is completely opposite. There is a lot of demand. Okay. Now somebody was asking about salaries after graduation. So that varies depending on the specialization. Minimum starts with 1.5 crores, and as you move ahead, it increases with the top 5 specialties where income is 4 to 5 crores Indian rupees is plastic surgery, orthopedics, cardiology, gastro, and radiology. Right? That's how it works in terms of your chances.